Energy efficiency is crucial for the time period that we are living now. And today, I'm going to present something to you that might just change the game of renewable energy. The Vertasium channel already built a design like this, but I optimized it to perform much better at lower wind speeds. After rigorous trial and error attempts, I can finally say that I have a working wind-powered car model. Before I show it off, I am going to break down the mechanical characteristics of this car. There is 2 impellers on here to maximize the surface area to create rotation and torque. I have the front of this impeller connected in a 1-to-2 gear ratio, going from the top gear here down to the bottom gear you see here. And on the other side of the car, you will see that the front axle has a 1-to-3 gear ratio, which enables the car to accelerate forward as wind hits the impellers, causing them to rotate like so. The trick to making this work is making sure your gears are correct and to optimize the amount of torque being produced in the front axle. What I am planning to do with this design next is optimizing it by infusing a electric hybrid circuit design into this system. And by doing that, I want to use a 3-phase generator that I can rectify into DC and power a DC motor, which will enable me to produce more torque in the front of the car, which should enable me to accelerate the car even faster into the wind, as long as I have a larger gear ratio for the generator and the motor combo. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will optimize this car into an actual pedal car wind hybrid car design. Alright, so here I have a high wind output fan that puts off roughly 8 miles to 10 mile per hour wind speeds. And you're not going to want to miss this part, because the way the car reacts to the wind hitting it is going to make you reconsider how the performance of this car really operates. Because you'll notice, in the long run, resistance might just be this car's best friend. Ever see anything like that? And you can tell the tires are kind of slipping right here. But I can optimize that problem. Now, just imagine slapping this idea onto a sailboat alone. But what I really want to do next is slap this onto a pedal car and see if I can optimize the speed by slapping 2 of these impellers on the back that has a diameter of 3 foot each. I'm very curious to see what kind of wind speeds I can get on a little pedal car. So, like I said, if we get 10,000 likes on this video, I will build the pedal car. Thank you for watching, everyone, and peace.